Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another video. Before I continue, I just want to go ahead and remind all of you, if you don't mind, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can see the videos that I post up. And while you're here, just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. So let's get into what we're here for today. We have the Allure booty box, Allure, not the booty box. Allure beauty box for the month of May. For those of you that don't know about this box really quick, this is a $15 a month subscription and you are set to get deluxe size samples. Occasionally we do get full size sample. I always say full size. We get full size items and that obviously just makes up the value of the box. This one has some really nice weight to it. So I can't wait to see what we have in here. We get a little pamphlet giving us the product information along with full-size prices if you were to be interested in anything that you got in the box. And it also lets you know if anything in here is a full-size item and obviously the price for that. So I'm just gonna go in and see what is so heavy in here. So I'm going to grab this one here. This is from Allure. This is the Resurfacing Glycolic and Unicorn Root Cleanser. Unicorn Root. What the heck is a unicorn root? I thought unicorns didn't exist. It's a little pouch. It almost looks like my nephew's applesauce pouches. My sister will just open it, give it to him, and he'll like eat it throughout the day. So that's what this feels like. This one, it just says it's supposed to resurface, refine, and hydrate all skin types. So, okay, so this is like a cleanser because it just says apply a small amount to wet face and massage in circles until it foams, and then you rinse thoroughly. So we got a little cleanser that looks like an applesauce pouch. Then we have this one. They're all in here. Oh, this one's pretty heavy. So this one here, it is My Daily Dose of Glow, Illuminate and Brighten from Skin Ink Supplement Bar. It's really pretty packaging. It's like a little sunrise kind of thing. So this is like a serum. So this one here, it says it is formulated with a cocktail of purely encapsulated vitamin C, chlorella, and hyaluronic acid with a savior serum that empowers you to get glowing in just a few doses. This is just a serum for your skin. I remember seeing, because you know when you have this subscription, they send you emails giving you like information about the box, and I think their focus, oh that's cute, their focus on this box was self-care because you know we're all at home quarantined still. Well, most of us. I know depending on what state you're in, you know, it's kind of like the level that they're at. But I am in LA in California and we still have the stay-at-home order. So their focus on this box is for people that are at home and, you know, just to kind of help everybody, you know, pamper yourself, take care of your skin, especially because we have to wear the masks when we go outside. So, you know, this is just supposed to help your skin be better while you're at home. So this one is really cute. I don't know what those little balls do, but it has little pink, blue balls. I wonder if I can get a little ball. It's really cold. And okay, so you do like the little balls do come out, and then once you like rub it in, they will dissolve as you rub it, and it has no scent. So that's what we have here. So we have a serum. Up next, I'm going to grab this one from VDL. Is the Lair Primer. So this is some pretty crazy packaging. So this is, I'm assuming, like some Korean brand. Because back here it says made in Korea. It has a different language on there that I can obviously not understand. But there's like barely anything in here. Like everything, it goes up, it's filled maybe up to about there. So you don't get much in here. It does say that it is a primer, but everything else is in Korean. So, oh, there it is. A glow-enhancing primer for a glass-like skin finish. Violet lumilayer pigments that reflect red light or red lighting for brightening the skin, and blue lighting to express clean and clear glass-like skin to bring out the most luminescent glow within your own natural complexion. So this is just to help your skin look nice and glowy. Up next, I'm gonna grab this one. This one's pretty big. This one, it is from AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for face. Is it for your eyes or for your face? What? Concentrated eye cream for the whole face. So do you put it on your eye or on your face? That makes no sense. So this one, I mean, it just says to get a small amount, pat it on your eyes, and then you can use it as your last step on your full face. So it's for your eyes and your face. It's an eye face cream, if that makes any sense. But this one's pretty big for, I mean, I guess it explains why it's pretty big. But if it's for your whole face, then it's small. If it's for your eyes, then it's big. So you just got to choose an in-between ground. But this is what it looks like. I wonder how much this is going to be. This is 1 fluid ounce. I wonder what the little pamphlet is going to say about the price of this one. Because usually eye creams are pretty expensive. Now, if this is an eye cream that goes all over your face, I would imagine that it's even more expensive. But I guess we'll find out. And it has like a powdery, like a baby powder kind of scent to it. And then we have second to the last thing. This is from Curology. And oh my God, who else has seen the Curology advertisements on Instagram? They're everywhere. I've never actually tried it, but I've seen those advertisements on Instagram like every single day. So this one says it is way more than a moisturizer. So I'm assuming this is a moisturizer. It's not that big. So I'm assuming this is a deluxe size sample. And it's just a moisturizer. You just apply it to cleansed face and neck. And then you pretty much put on, you know, the rest of your face. Or this is a moisturizer. So it's probably your last step. And then the very last item that we have in this box, it is a sheet mask from Wen. It says Glamour Base. And it is a biocellulose sheet mask. And it's just one. So this one is just supposed to help your skin look smooth and firm. So this is the last item. Really quick, I'm really interested in seeing which ones are full size and which ones are not, because they all look pretty big to me. Starting with the Sonic Ink Supplement Bar My Daily Dose Serum. I want to say this is a full size, because it looks like it's pretty big. Or maybe not. I don't know. Okay. I'm confused. So, MSRP price for this one, according to this, is $65. Now, it doesn't give me the full size, like the ounces. It doesn't give me the ounces for the full size. But this one looks like it's pretty big to me. So, is this $65? I'm thinking it is. Now, then we have the AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. This one, it is $29.99. So that is pretty expensive. Remember, I only paid $15 for this box. Then the only other one is the Wen face mask. This one, for one sheet mask, it's $7. So I think we got a really good value in this box, because I think we got, technically this is considered a full size, but I think we got 3 full sizes in this box. And even like this one's actually not a bad size. You get quite a bit of uses out of this one. So I think that's not bad. It was obviously all skincare, but that was their theme of the box, the skincare, taking care of your skin while you're at home during quarantine. But let me know what you guys think about this box. I think it's pretty cool. So those were all the products from my box. So that is all for me for today. I am all done here. I will be back really soon with another unboxing or another video. And I hope I will see all of you guys back here next time. Bye.